Hey guys, I wanted to pop on today and explain to you your water cycle activity project for this week. I thought it would just be easier for me to kind of walk you through it and explain it to you than kind of typing it out. So we're going to try this week. The three things that you're going to need for this assignment, hopefully you have all of these sitting around your house. I know for me it took me like 2 seconds to get everything together. You'll need a sandwich size Ziploc bag, the kind that actually closes Ziploc at the top. I know some people like the folding kind, but that's not going to work for this activity. If you don't have a sandwich size, I would say that you could go up to probably a quart size, but I would not go any bigger than a quart, and I would not do the pint size ones that are like snack size. I wouldn't do those either. Those are too small. So sandwich works best. So you'll just need a clear sandwich bag, again, that can zip at the top. You're going to need a marker. If you'd like to use colored markers, it will make sense why you need to use colored markers in a little bit. That's great. I couldn't find mine this morning, so we're just going to be plain Jane with a black Sharpie. And then you need some water. So I'm not going to pour this out and show you, but trust me that there is water in this cup. So what you're going to do first on your bag is you need to draw the sun at the top, some clouds, and then at the bottom you need to draw a body of water. So it could be a body of water of the ocean, it could be a lake, it could be a pond, it could be a stream, but basically the main goal here is to have a straight line across the bottom, and you want to go about 1 to maybe 2 inches from the bottom to draw that line. So I'm going to draw that and then I will show you what it looks like. So here we go. And I think I'm going to do an ocean today because I am really ready to go to the beach and have my sand in the toes. And I think more than anything, I'm just ready for summer days. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready. So, and if you will label what your body of water is, so I'm going to obviously write ocean, but if you do a lake, a pond, or whatever, make sure you label that. Now I'm going to draw sun. This is where colored markers would be pretty fun because you could draw it yellow or orange or whatever color you want. But, you know, we're just going to do the best we can with a plain Jane black Sharpie. Wow. I'm not a very good artist. You'll see in just a second. Then I'm going to draw some clouds. Okay. And you can go ahead and make it rain from your clouds. It's fine, but if you don't want it to rain, that's okay. But I'm going to do just a few kind of raindrops coming from my cloud here. All right, and I'm going to pick up a white piece of paper to put behind this so you can actually see better, because sometimes it's hard to see. But that is what the drawing on your bag should look like. So as you can see down here, I have the ocean, and then I have clouds with some rain and the good old sun right here with that extra line that went way offline there. Whoops. All right, so after you draw, you're done with your marker, and then you can grab your bag and unzip it, and then you're going to pour some water in your bag. Hopefully I don't drop this. Ooh, that's probably good. So you want to basically kind of go to your line of the ocean for me. I'm going to sit this down and zip it because I do not want to drop this. You want to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, and you can see, I'll put my hand there, that it goes up to about the ocean line. So that's why I said 1.5 to 2 inches. Okay, and so then what you're going to do with this is you're going to find a window in your house that has good sunlight, and you're going to tape this to the window. Okay, just put some scotch tape, painter's tape, whatever, up to the window. So make sure you put it on a window that somebody's not going to take your project down. And this is the key with this project. You need to leave it in the window for at least 4 to 5 days. And every day I want you to go by and snap a picture of it and see what happens in the bag. What happens to the water, what happens to the drawings, and you're going to take pictures every day and document what happens. You're probably not going to see any big changes the first day, but hopefully after that you'll start to see some changes. Hopefully the sun will come out because it's cloudy and overcast here today, but hopefully the sun will come out and help us out here. And you'll want to put that up there. And then at the end, after you upload in a PowerPoint, I'm going to ask for a PowerPoint with your 4 pictures. If you do it for 5 days or you start it on Thursday and you do it for the whole week till Wednesday, that's completely fine. Like, that's awesome. But I'm requiring at least 4 pictures, so 4 days. And then you're going to respond to the 2 questions at the end. What happened to the bag? So, like, what happened inside of the bag? And why do you think that happened? Okay, those are the 2 questions, and I will attach the requirements to the bottom of this video so that you can read those as well. But I just wanted to show you kind of what it would look like. Again, this is what it looks like with your water. I'll hold up my paper again behind it so you definitely can see. And again, you're going to tape this right to a window. All right, leave it there for at least 4 days. If you want to do more, that'd be great. And I cannot wait to see what happens in your guys' experiments this week in your hands-on lab. Again, if you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach out to me, email me, or my school phone. Now you can actually text that and I will get that. So if you have questions like that, please feel free to reach out. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with, and have a great day. Bye!